This coconut is not only a tropical fruit, it's the shape your shoulders could have if you had ditched all these lateral raises and overhead presses a long time ago. You see, it's hard, round, and perfectly striated. So in this video, I have two handstands variations that will revolutionize your deltoid game. They're unconventional, challenging, but exactly what you need to develop those coconut shoulders. Let's get into it. First of all, why would you use bodyweight exercises over free weights to build your delts? That's a great question. And the answer is, while free weights are effective, handstands offer unique benefits for shoulder development. Just like a constant tension throughout the full range of motion, often neglected with dumbbells, building incredible stability and control throughout your body. Moreover, it's developing functional strength. And finally, you don't need no equipment, meaning you can do them more often and anywhere. Basically, handstands challenges your shoulders in ways that weight just can't match. They're not just about strength, but balance and control. This combination is what gives you this striated coconut shoulder look we're after. Plus, by getting good at handstands, you will have a nice freaking party trick up in your pocket. Now let's dive into two key handstands variations. The first one being pike handstands. This one is for the beginners and targets your anterior deltoid like nothing else. And there is two ways to go about it: isometric holds and controlled repetitions. Here's how to do them. For holds, simply take an elevated surface where you can put either your knees or your feet. Using the former over the latter will be easier. From there, drop your hands on the ground shoulder width apart. Now, get as perpendicular as possible to the ground and hold that position for that isometric contraction. This is also your starting position. Hold it for 10 seconds to 30 seconds for a whole set. If you want to do controlled reps though, bend your elbows outward 45 degrees until your forehead kisses the ground. Now push the ground as if you were doing a push-up all the way to the starting position, and that counts as one rep. Overall, what makes this variation way better than front raises? It's the constant tension throughout the full range of motion. The second variation is straight up handstands, but there is three ways you can go about them. Let's start with the easiest, the wall handstand. For that one, get close to a wall in a sprinting position about 2 inches from the wall. From there, kick the lengthened leg in the air while the bent one pushes the ground. Come drop the leg that kicked the air to the wall and bring the other one alongside the wall. Unfold the bent leg and boom! Just hold that position for 10 seconds up to 1 minute and you've got your wall handstand isometric hold. The second way to do handstand, which is way more fun, is by handstand walking. You pretty much do the same as a wall handstand to begin with. Then you keep both legs bent so your feet are over and farther from your head. That will create an imbalance forward, forcing you to walk on your hands. I recommend having a 10-meter distance to cross for one set. Finally, the third way is by doing handstand push-ups. Let's start from the wall handstand position. But instead of holding this movement, what you're going to do is bend the elbows, bring your head to the ground, and push yourself back up to the starting position. Overall, the handstands target way more muscle fibers and challenges your shoulders in ways a barbell never could, just like during a long-term isometric hold. Remember, coconut shoulders are not built in the gym, but they are built upside down. And that's why everybody looks at me when I do it in the gym. They know it's hard, but goddamn beneficial. Speaking of people looking, if you want to turn head yourself with the great fuckable physique, then I want you to scroll down below, click on the first link in the description box where you can go on my website and book a free strategy call to see if we can work together and if we're compatible to forge your own goddamn physique. Brother, let me help you get a better look. Alright guys, this was Nick Lap. Here we never peak because the best is yet to come. Peace out, or should I say peace out?